Shirmal bread is one of the traditional Iranian breads, and it's incredibly delicious. It just melts in your mouth like cotton. To make it, you just need to follow a few important tips. Stick with me so we can make this amazingly tasty bread together. Please pay close attention to the exact measurements of the ingredients. To get started, we need the following: 500 grams of pastry flour, which is equal to 4 French-style measuring cups. 10 tablespoons of sugar. The amount of sugar is totally up to your taste. You can use anywhere from 5 to 10 tablespoons of sugar. 1 cup of lukewarm milk. 1 egg. 1/10 of a teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of strong brewed saffron. And 1 tablespoon of yeast. And finally, 50 grams of room temperature butter, all in a deep, suitable bowl. Crack the egg. Add the sugar and milk to it, along with the brewed saffron and melted butter. Beat with a hand whisk until the eggs are no longer lumpy and all the ingredients are well combined. Now, sift your flour, which has already been sifted twice, for the 3rd time into the bowl along with the salt and yeast. Since I used instant dry yeast, there was no need to activate it beforehand. So I just added it along with the dry ingredients. If you're using regular yeast, activate it first and then add it along with the eggs and milk. Mix a little with a hand whisk. Once the ingredients are somewhat combined, start kneading the dough for 10 to 15 minutes. At first, the dough might stick to your hands a bit. Don't worry about it. Keep kneading and the stickiness will go away as you knead. Or you can hit the dough against the bowl 100 to 200 times. If you follow the given measurements, you'll end up with a soft, well-textured dough. If your dough is too sticky, just add a little bit of flour. After you've kneaded the dough thoroughly, shape it into a ball and place it in a suitable deep bowl. Grease all parts of the dough with a bit of oil so it doesn't dry out. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap, then put a towel over it, and let it rest in a warm place for an hour and a half so the dough can rise. After the resting time is up, bring out the dough and punch it down to release the air. Dust the bottom of your baking tray with flour. Divide your dough into 2 equal parts. While you're shaping 1/2 of the dough, make sure to cover the other half with plastic wrap or a clean kitchen towel so it doesn't dry out. Divide each part into 3 equal pieces and shape each piece into a ball. Roll each piece of dough into a 30-centimeter long rope. Take the 3 ropes you've made and braid them together as shown in the video. Then pinch the ends to seal and place the braid on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. After you've braided it, cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest for another 20 minutes before baking. In the meantime, let's prepare the glaze for the bread. Add 1 egg yolk, some brewed saffron, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix them until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Brush the surface of the dough with the egg, milk, and saffron mixture. When you're brushing the bread, make sure to do it carefully so the egg mixture doesn't drip onto the baking tray. Because if it drips, it will burn in the oven and create a bad smell. Be sure to preheat your oven at least 15 minutes in advance. Then, place it on the middle rack of the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Because oven temperatures can vary, so after 15 minutes, make sure to check it regularly. In some ovens, it might even take up to 40 minutes. As soon as you take it out of the oven, be sure to place it on a wire rack so air can circulate all around and it doesn't get soggy. To give the bread a shiny surface, brush some honey on top, and you can sprinkle any kind of nuts you like over your bread. And here's the delicious result. I hope you make it and enjoy it to the fullest. Enjoy your meal, and thank you for staying with me until the end of the video.